I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A4 versus its competitors. The Audi A4 consistently delivers a balanced and engaging driving experience. Its standard engine provides ample power, typically around 200 horsepower, making daily commutes and highway cruising enjoyable. For those seeking enhanced grip and stability, the available Quattro all-wheel drive system is a significant advantage, especially in varying weather conditions. We'll explore how these features stack up against other luxury sedans. Moving inside, the Audi A4 truly shines with its sophisticated interior. You'll find high-quality materials throughout, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment. The MMI infotainment system is a highlight, offering a large, responsive touchscreen and user-friendly controls for navigation and entertainment. Furthermore, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems provides peace of mind and makes every journey more relaxed and secure. When comparing the Audi A4 to its key rivals, such as the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class, it holds its own remarkably well. While some competitors might offer a sportier edge or a flashier interior, the A4 often provides a more understated, refined luxury experience. Its fuel efficiency and strong resale value are also competitive, making it a smart choice for many luxury sedan buyers looking for a well-rounded package. Ultimately, the Audi A4 presents a very compelling package, blending strong performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. When making your decision, consider what truly matters most to you. Is it dynamic driving, a plush interior, or perhaps a balance of both? The A4 consistently delivers a premium experience. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.